Human rights, like to remind the president that if there's found out there's a violation, he can be tatakutin pa akong ipakulong. Putang ina kulong. Ikaw, putulan ko ng ulo. Tapos sabihin pa, then we'll begin to cut aid and assistance. That's a demeaning statement. Ano, para akong aso na unleash, na magtapon sila ng pan dyan, pipigilan ng aso. Ako naman, tahol ng tahol, hindi maabot yung... Yun ang gusto ng mga... If you have the evidence, go ahead and file the case. Wala akong problema. I can rot in prison for my country. Yan ang magagawa. I am not a Filipino for nothing. Baski ganito lang kami kapobre, wag do not fuck with our dignity.